Once upon a time, there was a chestnut. The chestnut lived in a little hole called Chestnut Hill. And one day it came out of the hill, and the sun was shining, and the chestnut could not see. He was blinded by the light. So he put on a very nice hat, and he put down his visor, and he could see. And then the chestnut ran into a fireman, and they fell in love, and the chestnut made baby chestnuts, and they and the baby chestnuts turned out to be just as weird as their mama chestnuts. Ah, shit. And this is the end of the chestnut population because they're all not chestnuts. Chestnuts.